We're currently at deck 6 forward staircase. To the right is the Cloud9 thermal spa. And to the left is the gym, but the door is closed because it's almost 12:30 in the morning. Now, if you go towards the Cloud9 spa, and then to the left is a handicapped entrance to the Mardi Gras Theater. Now, if we turn around from this point, we have the forward elevators. So, let's go. At each elevator is a detailed map of where you are and various different locations if you'd like to go. Now, as we're on deck 6, we're going to check out the deck 6 venues and places like that. So walking from the forward of the ship to the aft of the ship. First thing on the left is the Punchliner Comic Club. This wonderful mural to the original Carnival Mardi Gras and the ship's coin. And as you can hear on the right, the piano bar 88. It also gives you a choice, left or right. So now let's go left. Here's another view into the Punchliner Comedy Club. A set of bathrooms. Time projected on the ground. Deck 6 is also where you embark on the ship at Port Carnival as of May 2022. That is where it's home ported. Now, we reached Grand Central. There's a stage, various seating, and the Grand Central Bar. Here on the right. We're back at the mural. This time we're going to go right. As you can hear, the piano bar is loud and very busy, but it is on the right on deck 6. Piano bar 88. Now, as we continue on deck 6 towards the midship from the forward, there's a beautiful staircase on the left. Java Blue Cafe on the right. They have various food and drink items, coffee and things like that, as well as some grab and go things. So you can order food, or in the mornings and afternoon, you come to this section, and anything on the right hand side in the grab and go section, just grab and go. Now across from the Java Blue is the Grand Central stage again, as well as the Grand Central Bar. And also, right beside Java Blue is the cherry on top candy shop. And from this point, you also have, again, 2 choices. Or 3, because that middle section there goes to the midship elevators. So for now, we'll go to the right and into Mardi Gras French Quarter. But before we enter, right here on the left-hand side, we have some sail and sign kiosks and an ATM in case you need cash. First up is the Brass Magnolia Bar, which is deck 6 midship, and a seating area with stage and live music, I believe, most nights. Here is a cross to the other side of deck 6, and there are the midship elevators. So let's keep going. Keep going on the right-hand side of deck 6 towards the aft. Now we come to the Flamingo Restaurant. This is one of the 2 main dining rooms on board. There's also another hallway to cross, which connects to the fortune teller bar, which we'll get to in a moment. Alright, this time we're going to go left towards the midship elevators, passing the Grand Central stage. Here's another view of the midship elevators in Grand Central sign. As we continue, there is another beautiful staircase. And the doors actually we embarked from, and we're immediately met with, again, this beautiful staircase. But now, if we continue on the left-hand side, remember we're going from the forward of the ship to the aft. Here are some of the fun shops on board. Beauty and fragrances, hip fish accessories, Invicta watches. Now there's a cross hallway to the brass magnolia we saw a minute ago. On the left-hand side is another beautiful staircase. Right before we head into the French Quarter. I mean, just amazing. And a set of bathrooms that hide behind the staircase. The men's and the women's. The women's on the left and the men's on the right. Now we come to the fortune teller bar on the right-hand side, sort of in the middle of the ship, midship, and a seating area to accompany it. Another of these beautiful lights. Next we come to Emerald's Bistro and accompanying seating area. As we continue on, as we're exiting the French Quarter, there is another beautiful staircase here on the Mardi Gras that goes from deck 6 all the way up to deck 8. Alright, now on the right hand side, near the aft, is the Carnival kitchen, where you can learn to cook various different things. And across from the Carnival kitchen is actually a men's restroom right behind the staircase and a women's restroom. And this also leads us to the main dining room on board, the Palm Restaurant, which is deck 6 aft of the ship. You can check in at deck 6 for if you have specified time dining, or you check in on deck 7 through the app if you have your time dining. Back at the entrance of the Palm, if you turn right, you will be led to the aft elevator bank, as well as staircase. And that pretty much concludes deck 6. So, we started here, and we made our way here. I hope you found this helpful. See you on the ship.